If I could forget it, I would. Please believe me, and I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. You treat me so much better than him, and if I were saying there'd be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, you should go and find someone else who will treat you right, give you the world, someone who understands the man you are, cause baby, you shine so bright, and I would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them, but I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you.